Let's start with a very basic tip, which would be create your own keyboard shortcuts. This is going to save you a little bit of time, but most importantly, it's going to keep you focused on the task rather than searching through the menus for an item that you use frequently. Also, don't be afraid of removing keyboard shortcuts that are assigned by default if you never really use them. Tip number 2 is basically an extension of the first one, and it is assign scripts or macros to your keyboard shortcuts. Most DCCs will allow you to add small scripts or sequence of actions to a key, which is really useful for those actions that you cannot assign directly in the hotkey editor. A couple of examples of macro shortcuts that I find really useful are display wireframe unshaded in Maya and lock camera to view in Houdini. Tip number 3 would be customize your UI and save the file. Send it to online location to the cloud where you can download anytime. I have been using my UI in ZBrush for a few years, so I'm really familiar with it, and every time I install a new version of ZBrush I just load the same UI, and it makes me feel like I'm much quicker and don't have to do the same configuration from scratch. Same from Maya, Houdini. Configure your panels the way you want and save that config, and next time you update your software it will be there.